Welcome back, LTS. Let's talk sports. Now, you heard before the break, we were talking with Ian Haywood, who told us all about Altruistic Cup 1. So let's just take a look at some of the clips from last year.
I could watch you for a lifetime. You're my favorite movie. 1,000 endings. You mean everything to me. I never know what's coming. Forever fascinated. Hope you don't stop running to me, 'cause I'll always be waiting. I could watch you forever. Action, thriller. I could watch you forever. You are a cinema, a Hollywood treasure. Love you just the way you are, a cinema.
There you saw it. Lots of action. You saw some football action, and of course you got a chance to see some of the artists who performed last year. So again, go out and support the event. It's only $50. It's August 10th. So as you know, it's a holiday in Trinidad and Tobago. So we're going to have a short show today so that you can get an opportunity to go to the beach, because I know you waited for the show, and because we care and we love you, we decided we're going to have a short show today. So be sure to check out our Facebook page, Let's Talk Sports space LTS. You can also follow us on our YouTube channel, Let's Talk Sports TT space LTS for old episodes. And of course, this episode will be uploaded later, so you can go again and check it just in case you missed anything, or you want information, or maybe you just want to share it. So that's it for your show today. On behalf of We Sports, your home for local sports, have a safe and great holiday. I'm Melissa Kudrow saying bye for now.